So come and join me today for my first hotel review. It's a cheap as chips. It's just over 20 quid a night, and for that you get a room with double beds. You get a lift to your room. You don't have to go up all the stairs. You have a fantastic swimming pool, fantastic aircon, and it's really central to Fifth Avenue and the beach in Playa del Carmen. It's right behind the bus station as well. So if you don't want to go too far and you want to get off the bus, you're a bit knackered after travelling, this is an ideal hotel as a first day hotel. Only staying here one day, and then I'm off somewhere else tomorrow because I'm reviewing loads of these. So come on, let's go and have a look and see what you get for your money. Let's do a room review. So I'm in room 318. Walk straight in. The room itself looks very clean, well decorated. Fan on the ceiling, air conditioned unit, and this room is facing the main road, so there's no balcony or anything here, so you're just straight onto the street. What you do get, a table, plenty of power sockets, air conditioning unit, flat screen TV. You get the remote with your key card as you enter for your TV and the air conditioning. And I can tell you now the air conditioning is lovely and cool, so that's good. Inside the wardrobe, we get a safe. That's pretty okay. And then in the bathroom, dead straightforward, nothing special in here. Little bath, you've got a outlet for a shaver, and then you have a wall-mounted shower. So that's the basic layout of the bathroom. Beds themselves are quite comfortable, I've sat on them, and you do get power outlets here between the beds if you want to charge up any of your gizmos. This first hotel room is literally from the bus station. It's around about a 4-minute walk maybe, and perhaps a 5-minute walk to the beach and where Fifth Avenue is. So you're really local to a lot of the stuff here, you're not far away. I'm going to whisk you outside the room, show you the pool, have a little walk around, show you reception, and show you where you're located on the main street. So come and have a look. Now I'm located on the 3rd floor. And as you can see, at the moment, they are doing renovations. Now, I can't hear anything going on, but it is around about 6 o'clock now, so people might be working during the day, I don't know. Looks like this side of the accommodation is available. This is netted off. Obviously, they don't want any debris falling. And this side of the accommodation, as you can see, also available, but the stairs have been prevented you from walking down. And there you have it. You've got a glass lift with a shot of the pool, which is pretty cool. And the pool opens at 8 o'clock in the morning and shuts at 10 o'clock at night. So it's open quite late. It's just surrounded by this courtyard. That's quite a nice hotel, this. So the hotel definitely falls within a budget end of the accommodation. I've not booked breakfast or anything. I'm going to have breakfast out tomorrow. So I'm just reviewing it as a basic bed and a swimming pool. That's what I booked it for. Booked it for its location because it was right next to the bus station where I've just come back. Well, I've just been dropped off from the airport, and it's right near the beach as well. So perfect location for just landing. Just want to settle in, go out for a meal, have a few drinks, chill out, jump in a pool tomorrow, have a swim, and I'm going to get into another hotel tomorrow. So I'm checking a load of these budget hotels out to start with. It's kind of like, you know, backpacker places are more expensive than this, so I think these are crazy prices. Right behind me, the lady's really helpful. She checked me in. You will get in your little package a control for your TV, control for your AC. Now the AC is really cool, so super pleased with that. Probably never watched the telly, but it's just there anyway. It's a keyless door, so click. You don't have a slot or anything, so you can have your AC on, walk out, and you've got an icy cold room when you come back. While staying here, ideally, you've got a little eatery right next door, so if you don't want to go too far, you've got somewhere to eat. Opposite, you've got a little mini mart, so if you want to stock up, a little bit of water, get some popping, some nibbles, it's just straight across the street. You've got to go absolutely, it's on your doorstep, it's absolutely perfect. First impressions of the hotel, simple, very cheap, great location, Can't ask for more for the price. Clean, all paid up. So I'm really, really happy with what I've paid. So I'm headed out into 5th Avenue now. I'm gonna have a walk around, have an evening out. And yeah, so if you want to stay somewhere really local, I'll give this hotel a good thumbs up. Super clean, super cheap, just what it says on the tin. I'd recommend.